Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Power Rangers themed chip bag, and I'm going to go with Mega Force. That's my son's favorite one, so that's what we're going to go with today. I already have my images over here that I'm going to be sorting through. I think I may want to go with this one for the front, but I'm not sure. Or this one might fit on the front and the back. Let's see if we can get this to line up right. You know what, you guys? We actually did. That actually lines up perfect. Now I just need to send it back so that our images can fit. Okay. So let me see. Alright, let's put the Power Ranger sign over here. And let's insert a border. This one was pretty easy. The images are going to be on my Patreon page. Don't want no outline. And the pendant, you can make this, you know, whatever color, I don't know, the party is. Let's copy. Let's paste this down here. Let's go with red. Alright, we got happy birthday. We've got the name. Now let's add some words to the back. This one was pretty easy, y'all. Like, I think this is one of the easiest ones I've done. Like, this was so easy, it just wasn't even fair. Okay, and that is pretty much it. That is the Power Ranger theme chip bag. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. The images will be on my Patreon page, and I will see you guys very soon.